Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wix payments and automate abandoned carts, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of your website. Look for the settings option on the left-hand menu. Click on Accept Payments under the settings menu. You'll be presented with a variety of payment options. Choose the payment methods you want to enable for your site. Click on Set Up next to your selected payment method. Follow the prompts to connect your payment processor. Make sure to enter all required information accurately. Once connected, review your payment settings to ensure everything is correct. Next, let's set up abandoned cart recovery. Return to the dashboard and click on Marketing Tools. Select Automations from the Marketing Tools menu. Click on the Create New Automation button. Choose the Abandoned Cart Automation template. Customize your email message to fit your brand's voice. Set the timing for when the abandoned cart email will be sent. Include a clear call to action in your message. Save your automation settings once you're satisfied. Lastly, test your payment methods and automation. Create a sample order and abandon the cart. Check if you receive the automated email after the set time. This ensures everything is working smoothly for your customers. By following these steps, you'll successfully authorize Wix payments and automate abandoned carts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.